Hello, beautiful. Yes, we're back in the car, and that means we are on our way to another thrift trip. Today is Dollar Day at Goodwill. So they have one color ticket, I think it's purple, that is $1. I'm going to the store about an hour after it opened, and we'll see if we get anything. And we're gonna just try to find some amazing deals. So let's go along. If you have not subscribed, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button below. Click the little bell for the bell notifications because we are working our way to 1,000 subscribers. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are going to do a giveaway. All right, we're on the road. We'll see you in the store in just a minute. So right now I'm just trying to focus on the purple tags. I did find one thing that is not on sale, but I'm gonna try and see what it looks like first. These are amazingness. They're shorts, but they're missing a tag. So I don't know if they're on sale. And I'm sure they won't be if I ask them for the price it. Oh, they're homemade too. Never mind, I found the tag. It's yellow. There are a couple trench coats for sale for $1. Oh my God, do I need another trench coat? I love it. This is pretty, but it's not on sale. Oh my God. Oh, you're so pretty. We're gonna try you on. We don't need you. No. Okay, I'm safe. It's too big. I love it though, it's so cute. Okay, I mean for $1, like I might be able to do a thrift flip. Make this into a short jacket, puppy arms. This one's $1 as well, and it comes with a belt and it fits perfectly. No thrift flipping needing. I don't know how I feel about it. It's $1, but I don't know if I love it. It's a little too tight. I don't know, I want to say this is cute, but I don't feel like it's cute. Okay, so this is definitely my style, and I do have them over my jeans, but I can't close them. Okay, my vintage lovers, I'm not even gonna show you this amazingness until the try-on haul, but you're gonna love it. Stay tuned. Oh my God, we made out like bandits. I think we got a couple of really cool things. So I'm just gonna go over to the Salvation Army just to check and see what they have over there. I'm not gonna do like a big deep search there. I more than anything want to look at their linens because I am working on thrift flips that I think that you might be interested in seeing, and I'm practicing them a couple of times. If you're interested in seeing how to make a sweater set you know, like one of those loungewear sets, please give me a comment below. Let me know, because I've already made 1.5. I've made one whole outfit, and then I made the top for another one. I'm working on the bottoms for this other set, and they're coming out so cute. I can't wait to show them to you. So if you're interested in that, leave me a comment below. This place has a huge linen section, so it looks promising. It's a very big store in general. I love it. Okay, I've kind of gone down the wormhole of fabric, but I found some good stuff I wanted to show you. I got this for $1.99. Unfortunately, it's not on sale. And then I got this. I thought this would be a cute little shirt. Then I got a couple more blankets. Fabric. What else? Fabric. And more fabric. I've done a quick scan of the store, and I found these cute boots. They're Eileen Fisher's with the tag still on, brand new. Only thing is, I don't know the price. And this right here looks like it says 68 or something like that, 89. I don't know. If they're thinking they're gonna charge that much for these shoes, they're just gonna go right back on the shelf. Okay, it is time for the haul. Let's do it. Okay, the first item, remember how I said I wasn't gonna pay $89 for those shoes? Got up to the register and they were $7.99. $7.99 for a brand new pair of Eileen Fisher shoes. These real chunky heel type of boots, ankle boots, are really on trend right now. And I don't care about the trend. I would wear this anyways. I actually probably have quite a few of these in my closet in different styles and fashions, but I really love this one. So this little pair is going to make its home in my closet. So I got those for $7.99. And this is the last item I got from the Salvation Army, and I lucked out. This was on the end cap. You could tell somebody put back a whole bunch of items, and this was one of them. This was on sale for 99 cents. It's vintage. You could tell there's no name brand tag on it, but the care tag is really worn and old. But I love the design on this and just the interesting kind of look of the vest. I don't know, this is just really cute and I can't wait to wear it. This is definitely a vibe I'll wanna style up for a picture. Now let's talk about the items I got for Dollar Day at Goodwill. This is a Liz Claiborne outerwear suede coat. It's an olive green and it is really kind of a nice transition jacket, but this jacket is really cute and I got it for $1, a suede coat for $1. If shopping the dress section was this easy, I'd do it all the time and I'd go there first. This is a Kelly green dress by Alex and it is right above the knee and I absolutely love it. I went straight to it. It's got some asymmetrical like sewing work down here. I don't know how to say it. Asymmetrical kind of design work down here, but I love it, and it's going to be perfect for work because I wear very bright colors on television when I work as a news anchor. So this right here is comfortable, functional, and it's going to look fabulous on TV. And I got it just for $1. This is an outerwear coat from Sears, and I tell you, it looks brand spanking new. Very well kept. I don't even think the person wore this, but it has a lining that is removable. And I know it seems like it's pretty big on me. You can see the arms are kind of long on me, but I was thinking about thrift flipping it. Shorter coat. I've been seeing some thrift flips online that I might be interested in trying since I paid just $1 for this. But look at this. Vintage tag, Sears. Gotta love it. And it even has the extra buttons. And here is that other $1 trench coat. This is a London fog coat. And when I tell you, I feel like this was made for me, I mean it. This coat has never been worn. You can tell it is brand new and it fits perfectly. And it's got this little peak of brown on the inside of the coat. It's London fog, great quality coat. came with the belt still, which you know is a huge thing, but you can find the belt with something at the thrift store. So I don't love the A-frame look of a skirt on me, so I ended up getting this. It was just $1. It is Liz Claiborne Liz Wear, and I think I'm going to crop it right above the knee and make a cute little top to go along with this to make this a spring summery type of vibe. And here's a bag that I had my eye on for several weeks, and it finally went on sale, and I rushed in and it was still there. This is by Straw Studio, and yes, I got this for $1. It's huge, and I just can't wait to style it for the spring and summer. This is a Talbot's purse, and this was also $9.99. Both those purses $9.99, but I got this one as well for $1, and I thought that this was really cute. It's definitely a spring or summer vibe, but I figured I might as well pick it up. It's just $1. And I know my vintage friends are going to go crazy over this cute flower dress. This was something that I spotted out the day before and prayed that it was still going to be there when I got to Dollar Day, and sure enough it was. Look at this delicate lace collar, so cute. And what I love about this dress is it's a bigger size, but if you look at the back, it can actually pull tight and cinch your waist. So look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear this for a look on Instagram, or go to tea, go to have lunch or lemonade. I could just plan out all kinds of fun things, and it's definitely a vintage dress. I forgot the name of the tag, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you really quick. There it is. Vintage goodness. If you had fun with me, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel and like the video. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you like the best. I have to admit, I'm in love with everything. I love the vintage dress. I love the trench coat, the one that really fits nicely. I love the one that I can thrift flip, and the suede coat. I can't pick a favorite. I just love Dollar Day. And I can't wait to bring you to the next one, because we're gonna get more finds. We're gonna get more good deals. I can't wait. We are making our way to 1,000 subscribers. I want you to be there with me as I grow this little baby channel into a bigger baby channel. And I need your help. That's the only way we're gonna succeed, is if we do it together, beautiful person. I love you so much, so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Bye.